hair dryer just to. Look, I watch tutorials. You. I watch like a lot of tutorials, so I think I know what I'm doing, but I don't. Mulwin, hi. So I'm gonna attempt to figure a wig because I've seen girls. Bullet scam. They bought the biggest got to be glue, the biggest it works in London, the biggest Yonkita got to be. I said, okay. We bought it a long time ago because we thought Taibo, so if I wiggy. Yeah. But I have a wig. Wow, I feel crispy. I have a wig. It's one of them ones. It's like a bob. We curly red. Hey. Stuff was didn't. Stuff was didn't do it. I have a hair dryer just to. Look, I watch tutorials. You. I watch like a lot of tutorials, so I think I know what I'm doing, but I don't. They take the rectal comb and they go like this. So I'm gonna try and do that. But I have this, then it.
We cap. Can I help you with something?
What? Taking my head?
The back
This is already fading and I haven't even started. My head shape is so cute. Don't even come for me, please. Hi. Must be up. Okay, so we have, I know I tell you up. No, I'm not doing that one. I'm not doing that one. I'm doing that one, the famous one. Because like they're happy week and I'm finding them new sis. Because why?
Because this part it shows on the wig cap. Unless you're gonna put foundation on here.
Oh, mandate. Okay, it's not gonna dry the same way though. Like those ladies that do it on the. Am I not a clown? Like, what the fuck? What are you doing? Oh my god, opening vaccine exam. Yes, took to me nice. This is uncomfortable. I don't know. I'm just gonna put makeup because wow, the gluing is gonna be too much for my hairline, which is not even there, as you can possibly see. It's pretty clear, it's pretty visible, it's pretty there, it's pretty non-existent, but you, Sana. Let's just see how this wig looks. It looks good, né? But it's just another one. It's cut weird. Wow, way. Gosian. I do want to look at that. Talk to me nice. You, my scalp looks like it's whiter. Then, oh my god, this wig is so cute. I'm gonna put it here. I see them do this game night game.
So, can you please watch a video? You're stressing me out.
No, this is a freestyle. What do you mean? Ooh, guys, look at this. My hair.
Don't put too much, you stupid ass.
Oh, hush, I promise much.
Why are you doing that? So gonna get into the head.
Yes. Ow! Pretty good. My god, this is gonna take too much foundation.
Come.
Go. So like a bab.
Ah, this girl.
I have to keep this wig on. How? I went through so much work. Oh, yeah, I'm so bad. And this is cool. Wig now. What?
Talk about?
Nana, I felt the wetness go through. Nana, don't do that. Yeah.
It's like a Nana Pina Colada.
Shut up. As well.
Let's change the shape because it looks weird.
You weird. Ain't nobody thinking what you thinking. Oh my god.
So snug.
Damn.
I didn't even put it where the wig goes.
No, it's because Nituleka Gubi. Just rotate.
No. The
That's
thing is, we
it.
didn't have a straight
That's it. That's it.
That's why you do it. I'm saying no, it's okay.
Oh, we did a swoop. Look at the skin wear, lace wear.
Oh, baby girl.
Baby girl. I ain't finally big no man got training guys. Cause
So she loved Tupac but hates some LL.
Please stop. Velma.
ooh, do I not look like
Actually, I'm moving. Cute. Okay.
crispy?
I call crazy. Kylie, but it kills across the taste. When I do my food.
Something, man. It's a bit off. I look
You want
cute.
to
Don't
sit
even
down?
try me. No, right. Nobody less I just partish because it's gonna be missions to just fix that. It looks cute. Let's just glue it on now. Bruh, wait.
Let you just do it on.
Look at this moment. I'm giving you. Is this
Yes,
fine?
Hey.
Who cut this wig?
You.
Me. Oh, I botched it. Do you know why?
Look, you're gonna have to do this. No? And then.
Wow.
Jesus
Oh,
Christ. Why do you stick it and then. Hey!
my hair.
Taking this baby.
Hair's away. So what they do is they take.
Yeah,
but
so
they
you need
go
to put them back a
ham
bit so that you can have.
Bro, you're gonna. I tell Abba.
Taka mama, Njibaba, we funa kuwe when are strong. Hey, forward a bit. Go to your face. It's fine on your face. Ay, no.
Oh my god. Dang it.
Did you just break glue?
Wow, I just sprayed glue onto my forehead. Can you believe?
It's cute, I can't believe. Yeah, kai hairline yako.
Say it doesn't man. It's not gonna make a diff. Blow it, please. Alright, you. One in is a blow. Wow. Oh, big up and up his bones.
That's it. And the other door you see that about and I don't know Indian
Yeah, come on, stay. Oh, bra.
Rana.
Anditsale kakubi uqomba kwanenceba le way.
Bra isiphongo sakho sivele centimeter yodwa.
Perfect. Abaye banxiba kanje sibabiza. Azazi. Khomba.
You need to put.
Izawuzidehle kanje.
Andikwazi uba wawucinga ntoni wena ngalaa mini. Lalisa, yeke lali spray phezu kwayo.
Oh, you're not supposed to do that.
Ngayisike laa nto nayo naleleyisi na.
Bruh. Oh my god. Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
That's it. Koba ngekama senza abantu bakulithuba.
Take a brush and go. I was supposed to do
No,
this.
man, I need to
Nazi.
brush this hair away because now it's got glue.
It's crazy.
Awuzimisele njengobuso. Hlazeke izinanku zenza kubi xa uthengile.
Yeah, that's it actually. Some actually. God, no, sis.
Wig installation is not for you.
Ithenga. Fethu.
Oh my god!
Let's do the other side because wow, I'm kidding with you.
That's the actually.
Wow.
Oh my fucking god. It's dark. You need to cut it like now with the zigzag
Bruh.
because it doesn't look realistic.
The hair And let's just first stick it on like proper.
Hayi ke nazinole yabona ke mna ke yile nto ngayifuni iwigi vele ndibe neento ezinambuzela ngathi ndihamba kwindaweni ezigcawu ezininzi.
Cobwebs. Guys, it works. It's stuck onto the head because why? Because baby girl could, and she did. Exactly way. It's stuck on. Let's do the baby hairs. Yeah, get a wee brat. Crazy. I mean, lunch. Professor's mama because we need to see.
So where do you get the lever to do this? Bro, you got to do it. Hey, my goodness, this girl is too brave.
It's a wig. It's not gonna kill me. It's not law. For real.
You need to put spray. Let me try.
Guys, if I give you never. Bro, yeah, ke.
Yemthukuthezela.
Yewena. Gabisi. Yena ukugabisile. This njani we? Sifaka more. No. Guys, this is the wig. I've installed it on my head.
So you're not done.
Period. I'm gonna go to school. Super duper. So since I now lapha kum, please ndiyacela. Cela uhlukane nje yeke. Bro, stop.
You need to do edges, please.
Stop.
At least. Oh, Jesus.
Okay.
You need to do edges. A little beginner. Because wow, a bird.
What? What the f?
Sweet. Hey.
You done fucked up, man.
How do they be sleeping in these babes? Yeah, okay. It's because Paramir is there. It's levitating. No. No.
Someone's
Oh my god, do it.
I'm going to go like 30 minutes. Let's go there.
I wasn't doing it. I wasn't doing it. I thought accident was in there.
Because wow.
My god. What even is this? I can't go with this to school. I'm mad. But I'm not gonna lie, this baby hair would have worked. If you would give it more love and affection. Wait, let's do a. I don't wanna be a rock star.
You're a clown. Actually, a clown too.
Let me act.
Yo, I need some Jesus.
Oh, sweet. Baby got hammered. But stop pulling.
I'm not pulling. It's the water. I did the first time. It's just I helped you. Say thank you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
My baby, are you okay? Oh my god, Peaches, I'm never doing this to you again. I'm so sorry. So sorry. So sorry. What the actual people do this? God almighty.
Make it again.
I'm done. Finally, I'm me again. F-shaped. What do you want to go my foot?
Why you do that? Like you're going through it.
Okay. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please follow me on my Instagram at Lindy_without_y, and the girl who was doing my hair, my sister, is Zanele_1125_M. Like, comment, subscribe, please. I appreciate you all. I love you very much. You from management.